Hey folks, welcome to Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer and I do models. Today is Update Monday. Monday's update, however you want to say it. And we're going to talk about what's happened and what's going to happen this weekend. Basically, not a whole lot's going on. There is some big things that happened. I rearranged my room. I had some people come over and help me with that. I have a bigger work area, a bigger filming area, and I can also have a 2-camera setup. I can live stream. I can do more things easier without any difficulty of moving anything around. Everything just stays set up now, and I can just press some buttons and it's good to go. As before, I had to have help moving the camera and everything. So now I got that all set up. What's mainly been on the table is we did about 2 days on the Yag Tiger, and that video went out on last Saturday. And then we talked about the new build review yesterday on Panther Sunday. And we talked about doing a Panther Late A, which is the same Panther that I'm doing, but focusing on adding photo etch and aftermarket photo etch to it, so that we can, so you can see how that goes, because it can be confusing at times that you just, the instructions aren't quite all there, they're small. So I'm going to show you tell you how to print the larger instructions and add the stuff to the tank as we build it. And then it'll also be a build review of both the photo etch kit and the tank itself. So the King Tiger, as you can see, it's on the table. It is a build review. It is taking some time. I went ahead and I did all the decals on the ammunition, just so you could in the photo etch. I know I could have just put it together to see what the fit was like for the build review, but I wanted to do the whole thing. So as you can see, I got the one on the medical box there and there, and then I still have 2 more bays to do, and then of course the ammo in the turret itself. So this has been a time-consuming process. There's a lot of photo etch that goes on the ammo. There's these. Zoom back out, guys. Sorry. There's these little covers to protect the caps, and then there's these little caps that go on the back of each shell. So that's basically that right there. And then next in the instructions is a whole bunch more photo etch that's even smaller. So this build has slowed down tremendously. So I spent about 3 days on the decals and the photo etch that I've done so far, and I have about a whole another day of fiddly photo etch to do at minimum before I can get on to some faster building. And if you're going to build and paint one of these, you're looking at 6 to 7 months minimum of work, I would say, just to get a good finish and all the detail done correctly, because I already have probably 15-20 days into this, and it's in the lower hull still not done yet. I mean, I'm still working. I'm starting the upper hull, but I still have a couple more things to do. I'm hoping to get the assembly done on the painted Panther A. I'm hoping that everything fits together nicely. Like so. Like that. And I could start putting the Panther A together. I got it all painted. I got everything ready to go. Everything's ready to just slip in there. And then we can, as you can see, most of the stuff's here. I just have to get these painted, which I will get to in shortly. So hopefully that gets moved on, and then Panther Sunday we'll have a proper update video on those. There's issues with the Berg Panther upper hull again, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'm probably going to apply a filter to fix it. If you watched my Panther Tank Sunday video yesterday, at the end of it you could see that the top of my Berg Panther got ruined. It's orange and it looks bad. So Wednesday will be the next, I believe it's part 4 in the building technique series of the Tiger 1 build from Ryfield Models. That's going to go up there. And then tomorrow be either a tool or kit review, I haven't decided which. And then Thursday I'm going to do a top 5 most anticipated kits to build. I have a few kits that are in my stash, and I'm going to go through and do my top 5 most anticipated kits to build. I have about 10 in mind that I would like to build, but I'm going to go through the boxes again and look at all the sprues and see what I think would be awesome builds and turn out to be pretty awesome. So I'm going to do that on Thursday, hopefully. And then Friday is Random Friday, or it could officially turn back to Feedback Friday. If you guys email me your questions at crazygamermodels@gmail.com. That's crazygamermodels with an S @gmail.com. It is my email for the channel. It's all one word. You guys can email me their questions or ideas, and if you want to give me some feedback on some stuff, all that will come out on Feedback Friday, and then you guys can be in the Feedback Friday videos. So that's what Friday's going to be. Also, it could be a live stream. I had a successful live stream on Saturday about photo etch. I was going to edit and re-release the stream as a guide on photo etch, or my take on photo etch, but I'm actually going to re-record the whole thing. I have the notes from it. I'm going to watch it over and get all the talking points, because there was a couple things I missed and I want to rectify that. And I also want it on the better camera so you can see more detail, and I want to actually do some more work with the photo etch on camera so you guys can really see what's going on and what you can do with this photo etch. So let's see, we talked about everything going on right now. Oh no, we got one more thing after this. Yeah, this is the review that's gonna be next after the King Tiger, the build review. I'm always gonna have a build review going, so the video coming out on that shortly. And now I want to talk about Kitbashing Wednesday, or Warhammer Wednesday, because if you all watched it, I am doing a collaboration with John Kessler, and we are converting what were resin fine cast kits into plastic model kits. And he chose Commander Dante. I'll put a link in the description there. And he's got a good plan on his. And he's also did an unboxing of the actual Commander Dante. And I chose a Tech Marine, because that used to be a resin kit. But GW has recently released a Tech Marine, a Iron Hands Tech Marine, that is a character that is $40 for one sprue, which is ridiculous. And here he is, right here. Here's the Tech Marine, and I'm not going to buy this. I'm not going to pay $40 for this. This is ridiculous. Even if you wanted to convert it to Blood Angels, you'd have to do something with the leg here. I'm going to take a look at this. I'm going to base it off, and I'm going to show you that you can build one of these Tech Marines for way cheaper than $40. Way cheaper. So, and I already have a one-handed axe built that I think is a little bit better than the axe that he was holding. And I'll show you that in on Wednesday's video of that. And then also on Wednesday, it could be a live stream, it could be just a video. We're going to go through my box of Start Collecting and Devastator box to try to find a body for my Tech Marine. I might even go through my Reavers and Intercessors to make him Primaris. I think a Primaris upgrade on a Tech Marine would be pretty cool, just to make him a little bigger and beefier. So that's my goal. So that's what's going on in the week. This past week, basically it was decals and photo etch and moving and getting new setups. I did a live stream on photo etch. Go check that out. I will do a remake of that. That's a little more concise and a little shorter. And hopefully, if you guys want to see more live streams, leave a comment below. If you have a topic for a live stream, leave a comment below. Or again, email me at crazygamermodels@gmail.com. You guys can email me there, and I will, if it's an idea I'm able to do, I'll make a video on it, and then, I'll give you credit for the video. That'll do it for this episode of the Update Monday for Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer. Now let's let modeling ensue, and you have a great day.